Welcome to my channel for a new recipe. Today I am making two different kinds of brioche. One with brioche bread filled with spreadable chocolate and one with fresh bread. Ideally use bread that you have had a few days, but if you don't, just use fresh bread like I did for this recipe. It will turn out the same and be just as delicious. You will find the list of all the ingredients you need for this recipe in the description box. For the ingredients, you will need 3 fresh sliced bread, 4 sliced brioche, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 250 ml of milk, 2 eggs, cinnamon to your taste, 2 tablespoons of butter, some nice quality spreadable chocolate, and some sunflower oil or any oil of your choice. Add the eggs to a large bowl and beat. Then add the milk and whisk at the same time. Add the white sugar. I've added 4 teaspoons of sugar, but it's up to you to add whatever quantity you like. Add the cinnamon. It's optional if you don't like it. And whisk until well combined. Take the brioche and press in the middle to have a little curve so we can fill it with the chocolate. Then fill it with the spreadable chocolate and place the other piece of brioche on top. Now do the same with the other sliced brioche. Dip the brioche on both sides into the milk mixture. Use your hand because the brioche is very soft and it will break apart. Don't try to use any kitchen equipment, just use your hand, it's better. Then add oil and some butter into a hot pan. And place the brioche, then do the same with the other brioche. Sprinkle with some brown sugar and let it cook until golden brown before turning on the other side. When cooked, remove from the pan and set aside. Now let's make the second brioche using fresh bread. Dip the fresh bread into the milk mixture and let it soak up the mixture on both sides. Then in the same pan, add the bread, sprinkle with some brown sugar, add the other teaspoon of butter and let it cook on both sides until golden brown. When the bread is golden brown, remove from the pan. Add cinnamon into the rest of the white sugar and mix until well combined. Dispose the bread into a plate and sprinkle all the French toast with cinnamon sugar and honey, or golden syrup if you prefer. Then serve with fresh fruit of your choice. Now cut in half the filled chocolate and serve it with fresh fruit of your choice. Drizzle some more chocolate to make it more yummy, and why not add some chantilly cream to finish. Honestly, you have to try these French toasts. They are just divine, so soft and so yummy. Let me know what you think in the comment below. Bon appétit! If you liked the video, like and share with your family and friends, and before you leave, click on the subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. It's completely free. Hit the bell to receive notification and leave me a comment about the video or what you would like me to cook in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with a new recipe.